Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Recently changed to Mobility 316, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT. You can see with the key fob here. I can operate both power sliding doors and the rear trunk hatch. This is a brand new rear entry conversion. I can operate this entire conversion using just two fingers. I pinch and I flip on the clamps. It's got a handle on either side. These clamps are great. They keep the ramps from rattling, so I pinch and I flip. Check it out. I can take it to the ground using only my index finger. I tell our customers, if you can lift half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate this 34-inch wide manual ramp with ease. That's 4 inches wider than a side entry, so if you're looking to haul a bigger chair or chairs, this might be the answer for you. If someone parks next to you in a side entry vehicle, you cannot get out of your vehicle. Not the case with the rear entry. The rear entry have more ground clearance for getting over rougher terrain, including snow drifts this time of year, and they're much more affordable to convert, therefore much more affordable for you to purchase. A few of the reasons I prefer the rear over the side, but we sell both, so if you're looking for a side entry, let me know. 800-pound weight capacity, does taper at about 32 inches of width here where the ramp sets. Got about 55 inches of headroom coming in the van, then about 56 once you're inside the van. This is the deep cut conversion. It can hold up to 2 wheelchairs at a time, or a gurney or a stretcher. We've got 8 tie down points. It does come with one set of the brand new Q-strings with a lap belt there. They can be moved around inside anywhere these ovals are. All right, got your little air pump there. Got your cup holders for your passengers in the back. We can even put a third row seat that'll flip down, so you can potentially haul 6 people plus a wheelchair in this van. We can do flip base seats that flip up on their side if you choose. Let us know your measurements. Let us know how many people you're hauling. Let us help customize this van to meet your needs. Got your Q-strength tie down information and warranty up there. I'm going to shut these doors because it's 15 degrees today, so it's pretty dang cold. I got your nice center console there. Got your plug-ins for all your electronics up here. The dash is in great shape. No cracks or holes in the dash. Steering wheel control so you can keep your eyes on the road. Got your backup camera. You can sync your phone. Dual climate control, rear air. And as I just showed you, you can do all the doors up here. So when you get everybody secure, come back out, reverse the process. As you can see, one finger is all it takes. Lift her up, put it away. A nice alternative to the power ramps and doors that are super costly to maintain, and of course they're going to break down at the absolute worst possible time. Quick walk around to the van. It's got the tinted windows in the rear, got your roof rack, alloy wheels, got Goodyear Assurance tires on it. The front are about new condition, about 10-30 seconds. The rear still have a lot of tread left on them at 8-30 seconds. So nice clean van. I'm looking for dents or scratches in this van. We do have a professional paintless dent repair man come out, looks over every single one of our vehicles. Very nice, very clean, very well taken care of. No matter who you do business with, make sure you get a video, not a picture, a video of the VIN number. And why I say that? Had somebody call me last week and they told me they saw one of my mobility vans for sale on Facebook Marketplace for $8,200. And the gentleman even produced a title, because now with technology you can produce fake titles. So he produced a fake title, has some nice sweet story about how he loved helping old people. Guess what? He was selling one of my $45,000 vans for quote $8,200 on Facebook. Yeah, he was a scammer. So if you ask that gentleman, get me a video of this VIN number, that sticker right there, he could not provide that because he doesn't have the van in his possession. That's why you get a video of that VIN number. What we do with that VIN number, we run a Carfax on every one of our vehicles. You can see it's one owner, no accidents or damage, last owned as a rental vehicle in nice salt rust free Hawaii. Now a lot of people say stay away from rental vehicles. I would agree. If it's a sports car, I don't think too many people go rent a minivan so they can hot rod it. It just means highway miles. That's a good thing for a vehicle. As we scroll down, Carfax shows no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title, and they show no total loss. So this is not one of the super risky salvage or rebuilt titles. This is a one owner, clean title, no accidents. Carfax shows no structural damage, airbags have never deployed, odometer's accurate, no accidents or damage, no open recalls, and Carfax shows the vehicle went into service January 10th of 2020, so meets the specs to be under the full Dodge powertrain warranty until January 10th, 2025, or 60,000 miles, whichever comes first. And no matter who you do business with, find them online, check out their reputation. Look at us on eBay. 1,478 transactions. Every single one of those transactions left us positive feedback. I would say that qualifies for a good reputation. And no matter who you do business with, find them on Google. Make sure they are a real company. Make sure you're not getting scammed. You'll hear me talk a lot about that because there are a lot of scams going on. Check out our 4.8 out of 5-star reviews. You know, I hear people all the time who bought from a private individual, similar to the story I was just telling you, where they buy a van off Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace they can't get a title for. It was stolen, been in a flood, you name it, I've heard it all. Or they buy from one of these dealers. They don't look them up on Google. They don't bother looking at the reviews. Folks, it takes three minutes. Come on now. Look up who you're buying from. But they end up buying from one of these dealers 1 and 2 and 3 star reviews. Buy a vehicle with frame damage or a bunch of mechanical issues. So if you want to buy from those 1 and 2 and 3 star dealers, expect a 1 and 2 and 3 star van. If you want 5-star vans with 5-star service from a company that's been doing this for a dozen years now, I look forward to speaking with you. Another great feature about this van, and I'm going to show you inside, because like I said, it's like 15 degrees right now. Push the remote start button there twice. Van fires right up. So if you want to come out to a nice heated up, warmed up van in the winter time when it's 15 degrees like it is today, you've got that option. Van's got the fully operational key fob. This key here, it basically works to start the van. A little busted up on the inside, but it's a good spare key to have in case you want it. If you want a fully functional second key, let me know. We can get one made on your dime. And inside the van, it's got the black leather seating with a cloth insert. It's the power driver's seat. Works great. And I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in this van. And if you're going to use this van commercially and use these doors all the time, you can hit the off button there. What that off button does, it turns the power doors off. You can open and shut them quickly without risk of doing any damage to the door motor or anything like that. And the rear back here, I know you've already seen back here, but I'm just giving you a little different perspective for those of you that may not have seen inside one of these before. Okay, now as I get in and I officially start the van up, excuse me, put the key in, fire it up. You see it's got the 41,913 miles on it. We got a backup camera. Like I said, the dual climate control, everything cranking here. And I've got 3 mechanics that work for me. We checked all the power mirrors and windows, power locks, the heat, air, cruise, belts, hoses, suspension, steering. I'm going to show you these mirrors and windows working. We've checked all the tires, replaced fluids as necessary, taken the vehicle on a road test. My point is, we're very thorough in everything we do, and I hope you can tell that by my videos. Even got the back windows I'm going to show you working back there, okay? Even the back flaps open up. We do not just run these vans through the car wash and put them on the lot. They go through a very thorough inspection before they hit my lot. So let's pop the hood so you can hear it run. Underneath the hood, we got the 3.6 V6 engine, idles smoothly. No signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks, and like I mentioned, still under the Dodge powertrain warranty specs. As I crawl underneath the van, you can see very clean. No signs of any bent metal from an accident. No signs of any fluid leaks or anything like that. A little bit of surface rust, that's to be expected on a van with 40,000 miles. Overall, very clean. No signs of any flood damage, water damage, anything like that. And that's the #1 mistake people make when they buy a used vehicle. They assume things. They assume just because it's got 40,000 miles on it, they assume that it runs and drives good. They assume it's got a clean title. They assume it hasn't been in a bad accident. That's the most dangerous thing you can do. So what I want you to do, I want you to go check out my competition. I don't care if it's a private individual. I don't care if it's a dealer. But I want you to ask yourself, do they show me the reputation online so I know the person on the other end of that phone, the other end of that computer, so I know they're reputable? Do they get a Carfax report so I know I'm buying a vehicle that's got a clean title, no major accidents or damage? Do they offer free shipping? And finally, do they get out on their hands and knees in 15-degree weather and not only take pictures of the undercarriage, but much less a detailed video of the undercarriage, so you know exactly what you're getting, so you know the bones are good of the vehicle. So you know what happens if you end up buying a vehicle that you can't, that's got frame damage, whether it be from a flood or an accident, or if you can't get a title for it. You just bought a vehicle you can't even register, that you can't even drive. So do 4 things before you buy from anybody. Demand a detailed video like this, not some lazy 30-second walk around. If they're gonna ask you to send $30,000, $40,000, $50,000, just from seeing the pictures on the internet, tell them to get out here and put their heart and soul into it, like I do every single one of these vans. Second, demand a Carfax report, not some cheap knockoff. I spend thousands of dollars a month in Carfax reports, but I do that because I want to know what I'm buying, and more importantly, I want you to know what you're getting. Third, demand a warranty. Like I mentioned, van falls into the specs again of the 90-day, the remaining powertrain warranty. drivetrain warranty from Dodge. And finally, make sure you get online, do your due diligence, find out who you're buying from, check out the reputation. Lazy buyers get scammed. Don't be a lazy buyer. Do your due diligence, find out who's on the other end of that computer, who's on the other end of that phone. So let's get the van out for a test drive so you can hear it run. Okay, the final portion of the video, I always like to get the vans out on the highway, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states or if you come in and drive this van home. We've done our due diligence, we've made sure that it's roadworthy. Steering wheel is nice and straight, no unusual vibration or noise. Van pops up, we'll get up to about 70 miles an hour here. Runs and drives dang near like a brand new vehicle. Got the cruise control set, cruise works good. Also keep in mind, we don't have, it does come with the powertrain warranty specs remaining on it from Dodge. We do sell long-term extended warranties that cover bumper-to-bumper type warranties that go out anywhere from 90 days all the way to 8 years and everywhere in between. So talk to me about how you can affordably protect your investment long-term. Also, keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers, they show a real nice price online. What they have hidden in the fine print or they don't tell you about until it's time to close the deal, $500 administrative fee. They got document fees, they got tag fees, they got freight, you name it, they got a fee for it. You know what they don't have? Free shipping. So by the time you add up all their fees and the shipping, that real nice price you saw online, well, it just jumps $3,000 or $4,000. Not such a nice price anymore, is it? So be sure to ask about the shipping and hidden fees before you buy, or sit back, relax, let me take care of all that for you at no additional charge to you. And my question to you, if someone's not telling you the real price of a vehicle, if they got a bunch of hidden fees on the back end to try and make more money out of you, what else are they hiding from you? Is it a salvage title? Is it flood damage? Is it mechanical problems? You know, I don't know. I just know in any business, but especially the used car business, transparency is key. That's exactly why I'm out here making this video today. So if someone's not being upfront and honest from the get-go, there's a really good chance there's other things they're hiding. Be aware of that when you're out shopping. As I come down the ramp here, a nice hard brake, no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration, all exactly what we're looking for. And if you'd like to give us a phone call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. Now, if texting is easier for you, here's my cell phone, 316-518-4377. My name is Jeremiah. I am the owner. You now have my cell phone number. I challenge you to ask the competition if they are dedicated enough to customer service to give you the owner's cell phone number. Or do you get to call in and talk to an automated system, end up in somebody's voicemail and never get a call back? Or maybe you do get that live person. It's that super pushy used car salesman, just showing you the radio works there too. You know, trying to avoid that super pushy used car salesman. So who's going to call you 5 times a day to ask if you're ready to make a deal. So if you're like me and you're sick of being treated like just a number by all these companies out there, and you definitely want to avoid that super pushy used car salesman, give me a call. I'll walk you through start to finish, and I promise you I'm going to sell this Caravan whether you buy it or not. Absolutely zero pressure sales here. We do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or email address. If computers aren't your thing, pick up the phone, give us a call. We're happy to take an application over the phone. Yes, we do take trade-ins, even from across the country, whether standard or mobility vehicle. Call me, I can explain how that works. And if you made it here to the end of our video, we appreciate you hanging in there. If you give us a thumbs up on the YouTube, that would help us out. Give us a follow if you want to be the first to see all of our upcoming videos. And if you do ever want to come in, please make an appointment with us. I know your time is valuable. I don't want to miss you, and we're not sitting around all day with our feet up with nothing to do. We stay busy every second of the day, but we're more than happy to spend some time with you as long as you make that appointment. And if you'd like to see our entire inventory with detailed videos just like this, free shipping, free Carfax reports, and dozens of pictures, so you know exactly what you're getting from the most thorough mobility dealership in the country, check out our website 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And as always, thank you so much for checking out checking us out here at Mobility 316 Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.